Hi, welcome to TunesKit. After update to new version, some people facing a issue like that, iPhone cannot connect to Wi-Fi, and even turn it on. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi. Method 1. Turn off and on airplane mode. This way can solve the problem sometime, so just swipe up from the bottom, and turn on your airplane mode, and turn it off. Then you can check if Wi-Fi is working. If this method does not work, try the next. Method 2. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Once the iPhone restart, go back to check if Wi-Fi is working. Method 3. Force restart iPhone. It's always the effective method when faced with some iPhone issues. For iPhone 6s, press and hold the home button, as well as the power button together, until the Apple logo displays on your screen, and the iPhone restart. Method 4. Refresh iPhone with TunesKit iOS System Recovery. Connect iPhone to PC. Open TunesKit iOS System Recovery, click Start. Choose Standard Mode. Enter the DFU mode by following the on-screen instruction. When the next button turned blue, it means you entered DFU mode successfully, and click Next. Check your device information, and download the firmware package. When it done, click the Repair. Wait a few seconds. Your iPhone will be fixed. You can check if Wi-Fi is working. By the way, we provide a 15% discount exclusive to our YouTube fans. Just go for a try. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.